This video was performed using local professional drivers. Do not try this on your own.
All right, Red Fedora Guy. We're going for a bike ride to the Shed Sports Bar. Let's go. All right. Going down a one-way street the wrong way is always good. This is a one-way street. We're not going the wrong way. Those guys were. Driving here can be really, really interesting. All the rules get broken. People are so nice though. I'm in Japantown. It's a part of Saigon. Saigon is HCM, which is Ho Chi Minh. The locals call it HCM, but a lot of people call it Ho Chi Minh City. Same place, same as Saigon. Here we go. Take me on a roller coaster. All right. Now, the people here are pretty nice, but you got to watch to get ripped off. Some guys will try and rip you off. Hello. Hello, lovely ladies. See, people are so friendly. Most of the time. But they will try, and I had a street guy want to charge me triple. And I said no, and he seemed to be upset. And I showed him the Grab app, and sure enough, the Grab driver came over and settled it. So, yeah, Grab is kind of cool. You still got to be careful with people ripping you off. Life is a highway. I want to ride it all night long. Don't you just love those lyrics? Okay, here we go. Okay, hello. Hello. Watch this guy. Oh. People out in the morning having breakfast. They eat pho for breakfast. There's a nice square. Mother Mary. I don't know how many Catholics there are in Vietnam, but I guess you can ask AI. You didn't know AI answers everything. AI is putting a lot of people out of work. It might be employing some guys who are getting probably paid very well, but you don't have to. Oh, the family's trying to cross right in front of traffic. That could have ended bad. That could have ended poorly. All right. Going down the sidewalk. Always cool. Oh, there we go. All right, we're here. All right, sounds good. Hello everyone, Red Fedora Guy here. I'm at a place called The Shed here in Saigon. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a sports bar, and they have all the games. Got Vegas on right now. We're losing one up, but hey, that's hockey. So if you're ever in Saigon and want to come and watch sports, The Shed is a great place. Really good breakfast. Good breakfast for like $5, all you can eat, and go nice go. All right, guys, take care.